peoples, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I'm having fun with a cool song from Mr. P. I love you because ... Many reasons why I love you guys. And yes, I need to highlight my new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 strings ago. We have a link up here, and I love you guys. If you go and subscribe to that new channel, I need your help. It's a completely new way of learning songs, like full playthrough, way better maybe to learn a full song in that way from A to Z, with chords shown, and you just kind of listen to me playing and try to follow along, and that will help you guys, I promise. So thank you for support on that and this channel. Now let's focus on I Love You Because. We have a 4-chord song here, just rolls in the same way through the entire song. No need for any capo. Let's dive into chords. Yes, we have a couple of bar chords here. So we're gonna start with the F sharp minor. That's a bar on the 2nd fret. You push down all strings there. And then you need to add 4th A and 4th D. That's F sharp minor. Next up is E. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Then we have the B, which is a bar on the 2nd fret, 5 strings from bottom up. That's what you need to push down. And then you need to add 4th A, D, 4th G, and 4th B. Some people, they place a 2nd bar in front like this, so 2 bars, it's up to you. Works either way. And then finally we have the C sharp minor. So this time we have a bar, same 5 strings, but on the 4th fret. Then you need to add 6D, 6G, and 5th B. Alright, so we have this melody going on. I'm gonna give you the notes for each and every chord. So let's start with the F sharp minor. And I really suggest you hold the full chords as they are. So you're gonna roll down a chord. So that means you're gonna play the 2nd E, 4th A, 4th D, and 2nd G. Then you're gonna roll down the E, which is the open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, and 1st G. Then you roll down the B, which is the 2nd A, 4th D, 4th G, and 4th B. And guess what? Roll down the C sharp minor as well, which is the 4th A, 6th D, 6th G, and 5th B. That's the melody. So okay, then you can handle this with a strumming also. So yes, you can play like this. Okay, so what you play here is down, down, clap, down, short pause, and then down, clap. That's it. One of these per chord. So you can also replace that clap with a down, so that will be... In that way, I play on the higher strings on that clap down. So bass, bass, down on the higher string, bass, bass, top. So you see the clap replaced with the down. That down is played on the higher strings down here, so that will be... And there you have the tools, guys, to handle this cool song, Mr. P, I Love You Because. Melody, strumming, up to you. Mix it up. Yes, whatever you want. That's how you play it. So, hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.